بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر
More than 14 centuries ago, Allah revealed the Quran through the angel Gabriel to the final prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a timeless source of guidance, mercy, and a living bond between the Creator and humanity. Yet, with the passage of time, a subtle but profound fracture emerged. The Quran continues to be beautifully recited, but its meaning has grown distant from many hearts and minds. What was revealed as guidance for all has, for many, become unfamiliar in its message. This is not a minor loss, it is a critical spiritual emergency. The Quran Video Translation Project is a deliberate response to this crisis, presenting the Quran's meaning with clarity, fidelity, and accessibility, grounded in the authoritative Tafsir al-Bayan by Javed Ahmad Ghamidi, translated by Dr. Shehzad Saleem. Through a powerful visual medium, it reconnects youth, adults, and elders with the Quran's message. This is more than a series of videos. It is an effort to restore Hablullah, the robe of Allah, so hearts may once again hold firmly to divine guidance. Join us, watch, reflect, and reconnect.